Dear students, today let's discuss more about area. At the end of this module, you will be able to understand about area. Some word problems today we have to discuss. First question. The length and breadth of three rectangles are given below. Which one has the largest area and which one has the smallest area? Here you have given three questions A, B and C. Some measurements are also given. Out of these three questions, we have to find which one has the largest area and which one has the smallest area. For this, we have to find the areas of these three questions. Then let's discuss first question. Length and breadth are given in each question. First, L equal to length equal to 9 meter, breadth equal to 6 meter. We already studied the equation for finding area. Area equal to L into B. That is 9 into 4 equal to 54 meter square. So, question A has an area of 54 meter square. Through this method, we have to find the area of question B and C. Then let's see question B. Length equal to 17 meter, breadth equal to B equal to 3 meter, area equal to L into B, 17 into 3, 51 meter square. So, A has 54 meter square, B has 51 meter square. Then C equal to L equal to 14 meter, B equal to 4 meter, area equal to L into B, 14 into 4, 56 meter square. So, which one has the largest area? Yes, C has the largest area. Which one has the smallest area? B. B has 51, C has 56, A has 54. So, B has the smallest area and question C has the largest area. Okay, let's see second question. A tabletop measures 2 meter by 1 meter 50 centimeter. 2 meter by 1 meter 50 centimeter means length and breadth. That's all. Length and breadth. What is its area in square meters? L equal to 2 meter, B equal to 1 meter 50 centimeter. This is mixed of meter and centimeter. So we convert this into meter. 1.50 meter. Then area equal to L into B. Then 2 into 1.50. We know 1.50 means 1 and half. 2 times 1 and half. Yes, 3. Answer is 3 meter square. 3 meter square. Third question. A room is 4 meter long and 3 meter 50 centimeter wide. A room, its length is 4 meter and breadth, wide means width, that is breadth. Breadth is 3 meter 50 centimeter. How many square meters of carpet is needed to cover the floor of the room? Square meters of carpet. For finding the quantity of carpet or tiling, we need to find area. In the last class, we studied for finding the fencing. Fencing means finding perimeter. Like that, quantity of carpet, quantity of tiles. So, we need to find area. Here length equal to 4 meter. B equal to 3 meter 50 centimeter. We convert this into meter. So 3 meter 50 centimeter is 3.50. Area equal to L into B. 4 into 3.50. For multiplying these two number, one is decimal number. So first we remove the decimal point. So its number becomes 350. Then we multiply 350 with 4. That is 35 into 4. 35 into 4, 140. 350 is our number. So, 1 more 0. That is 1400. Now, look here. Here 3.50 after the point 2 digit. So in the answer also after the point 2 digit. That is 14.00. 14.00 is same as 14 meter square. Then let's move to last question. A floor is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. That is a floor. That is, it is a rectangle. A square carpet of 4 sides 3 meter is laid on the floor. Find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. For understanding this question very well, you look this figure. Here you can see a rectangle. This is the floor. 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. 5 meter length and 4 meter width. A square carpet of 4 sides 3 meter. We know a square has 4 sides. 4 sides are equal. A square carpet of 4 sides 3 meter is laid on the floor. This yellow color is the square carpet. So its side is 3 meter. All the 4 sides are 3 meter. Find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. We need to find this white shaded place. Area of this white shaded portion. So for finding this, we find the area of rectangle. Then we find the area of square. Then subtract these two. Then we will get area of the floor that is not carpeted. We subtract two areas. That is the method. So length of the floor 5 meter. Breadth of the floor 4 meter. Area equal to L into B. That is 5 into 4. 20 meter square. This is the area of the rectangle. Next we find the area of the square. Side of the square carpet is 3 meter. Area of square equal to side into side. We know 3 into 3. 9 meter square. Next we subtract these two areas. Area of the floor not carpeted equal to area of rectangle minus area of square. Area of rectangle, what is its area of rectangle? 20. 20 minus 9 equal to 11 meter square. Okay, these are only 4 questions today we have to discuss. So you study well and watch this video, and after that you write the notes and do TMLA. Okay children, next you have one follow-up activity. The new name of Big Ben Tower is dash. You find the answer and send to me. Okay, bye.